Hello friends, welcome back. So we are discussing the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 10. In the previous video we discussed the even number of questions from 1 to 12 from this exercise. Today in this video I am going to discuss question number 14, 16 and 18. Let's get started. Question number 14 says that in which ratio the line joining -1, 1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line x plus y equal to 4. So we have two different points, say -1 and 1, and other one is 5, 7. We have another line, say x plus y equal to 4. Let me draw it in this way. This is x plus y equal to 4. We have to now you can see that this line divides this point, this line segment joining -1, 1 and 5, 7. We have to find this ratio, right? So let's do some calculations. Let me assume that let us assume that this line x plus y equal to 4 divides AB. Let me give the name A and B to these points. Right? AB at point P, the intersection point is P, in the ratio lambda, and let me say lambda raised to 1. Then points of P will be then the coordinates of coordinates of P is, you know the formula, right? Lambda x2 plus x1 upon lambda plus 1 comma lambda y2 plus y1 upon lambda plus 1, right? According to this formula, the coordinates of P will be lambda y2, means lambda x2, I mean 5 lambda minus 1 upon lambda plus 1 comma 7 lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1. Right? Now you can see that this point P lies on this line x plus y equal to 4. So let me write another thing here. P belongs to this line x plus y is equal to 4, correct? So this point, coordinates of P, will satisfy this equation. So as I cannot go to the previous slide, let me write x was 5 lambda minus 1 upon lambda plus 1 and y was 7 lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1. This both x and y will satisfy this equation. Substitute these values in this equation, we will get 5 lambda minus 1 upon lambda plus 1 plus y 7 lambda plus 1 upon lambda plus 1 is equal to 4. Both have the same denominator. Taking LCM, we will get 5 lambda minus 1 plus 7 lambda plus 1 whole upon lambda plus 1 goes to the opposite side. So I will write 4 times lambda plus 1. If you do some calculation, if you perform some calculation, you will get your answer as lambda is equal to 1 by 2. So your required ratio is lambda, that is equal to 1 by 2. That is your answer. Let's go to the another question number 60. It says Find the direction in which a straight line must run through the point -1, 2, so that its point of intersection with this line, that is x plus y is equal to 4, may be at the distance of 3 unit from this point. मतलब स्टोरी कुछ ऐसा है कि we have a line, say x plus y is equal to 4 again, and a line is passing through this line. The intersection point is, and this point -1, 2 is at the 3 unit distance. So this point is -1, 2, right? So we need to find the equation and the direction of this line, right? What will I do is, let me say this is Q, let me say this is P of -1, 2, right? I'm going to give name of both the lines. Say this is L1 and say this is L2, right? I'm going to write all this description over here. L1 line, that is x plus y is equal to 4. L2 is the another line. Coordinates of P, that is -1 and 2. Distance PQ is again 3 unit, which is given, correct? Not from my side, right? Okay, so what will we do? Let us find the equation of line PQ, or say L2, right? L2 जो लाइन है उस जो PQ लाइन है उसका मैंने नामकरण L2 किया हुआ है. So let us assume that the slope of L2 is m, right? Then the equation of L2 will be, according to the slope point formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So it will be y minus y1, that is 2, is equal to m into x minus x1 minus plus 1. If I simplify this in one more step, I'll get y is equal to, this is mx plus m and plus 2, right? See, this is equation number 1, right? Now, to find the coordinate of Q, we have equation of L1 as well as equation of L2. To find the intersection point Q, we can find the intersection point Q, coordinates of Q, using these two lines. Let's go to the next slide. Again, I am going to write both the equations, don't worry. So L1 was the line, x plus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 4, and another line L2, which we found on the last step, that was y is equal to mx plus x plus 2. Now let's solve the equation number 1 and 2. L1 and L2. What I am doing is, from L1 and using L2, from L1 I can write x plus mx plus x plus 2 equal to 4. If I solve this, I'll get x. Take x common from this step. Sorry, this is not x, this is m. This is m. mx plus m. Take x common from these two terms and simplify this term. You will get 2 minus m upon m plus 1, or 1 plus m. Right? What we are doing, we are finding the coordinates of Q. By the same manner, use these values of x to find y. We will get, again from L1, we'll get y is equal to 2 plus 5m upon 1 plus m, right? So we have the coordinates of q. So q has coordinates of q are 2 minus m, 1 plus m, comma 2 plus 5m upon 1 plus m, right? Now also we have this distance, we have the coordinates of p, we have the coordinates of p, that is minus 1 2, we have the coordinates of q, that is this, and also we have the distance pq, that was 3 unit. So using distance formula pq is equal to 3, so pq square is equal to 9, and calculations apply all those calculations, you will get m equal to 0. So m equal to 0 means it is a line, horizontal line. It is a horizontal line means line parallel to y axis, sorry, x axis, because the slope is 0. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Question number 18. Find the image of the point 3 8 with respect to the line x plus 3y is equal to 7, assuming the line to be a plane mirror. So we have to find the image of this point 3 8 according to line this. Means it is the story like this way. Sorry, not a straight line. We try to draw a perfect straight line. It's looking similar. I mean straight. So this is x plus 3y equal to 7. There is a point 3 comma 8 here. Let me say it a, right? This is the perpendicular distance, and we have to find the mirror image that will be somewhere over here. Say this point is B. Now assume that this intersection point is Q and the coordinates of Q are HK, right? So can you say that Q belongs to, let Q of HK belongs to x plus 3y is equal to 7 line, right? That means this will satisfy this equation. So can I write h plus 3k, h plus 3k is equal to 7, which implies h is equal to 7 minus 3k. So that will be 7 minus 3k. Now onwards, uh, also you can observe that a cube is perpendicular to the line x plus 3y is equal to 7, correct? Now the slope of x plus 3y is equal to 7 is, according to minus a by b, it is minus 1 minus a by b, so minus 1 by. Now let me use, sorry, now let me use this result. Now let me use this result of two perpendicular lines. So slope of a cube into slope of line, this line, is equal to minus 1, which implies slope of a cube into this slope is minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Let me go to the next slide. So now slope of AQ, you know the coordinates of A, that was 3, 8, and coordinates of Q was HK, which we have assumed. So slope of AQ is equal to, can I write, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So using that the previous result, slope of AQ, k minus 8 upon h minus 3 into the slope of that line, that is minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1. So finally I have k minus 8 minus minus plus 3 opposite side is equal to, I can write 3h minus 9, right? I'll use this result again in future. So once I was having a result on the previous slide, and that was h is equal to 7 minus 3k, right? And now I have the result k minus 8 is equal to 3h minus 9. So using the value of h over here, so k minus 8 is equal to 3 times value of h, that is 7 minus 3k minus 9. Whenever I'll solve this, I'll get k equal to 2. K equal to 2, from the above equation, I'll get h equal to 1. So now we have the points of point Q, that is hk 1 comma 2. Again, now Q was the midpoint because we are finding the mirror image. So can you write AQ is equal to BQ, or you can say Q is the midpoint of AB. Let B is equal to, coordinates of B are A comma B. Then can you write 1 comma 2, Q is midpoint. So AK coordinates of A are 3 and 8, and coordinates of B are AB. So 3 plus A by 2 and 8 plus B by 2. If you solve this, you get A comma B is equal to minus 1 and minus 4. This is your required coordinate. That's it. Thank you.